Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up automation on your Wix website. Automations are incredibly powerful tools that allow you to streamline repetitive tasks, save time, and create better experiences for your customers without lifting a finger. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. From there, click on Automations. This section is where all the magic happens, giving you complete control over the automated workflows that can run in the background of your website. From here, you can preview any automations you currently have set up in your Wix account. This overview allows you to see what's already running and how your automations are performing. To set up a new automation, simply click on the Create Automation button, which you'll find conveniently located on the top right part of your screen. This button opens the door to creating custom workflows tailored to your business needs. Once you click it, a Create Automation window will appear on your screen. From here, you'll be presented with several automation templates designed to help you get started quickly. Wix offers a variety of pre-built options covering everything from customer communication to order management. Take a moment to browse through the available templates and select the type of automation you wish to set up. Once you've found an automation that fits what you're looking for, click on Setup to proceed. For this tutorial, we'll choose the Thank Customers Who Pay an Invoice automation, which is perfect for maintaining positive customer relationships and showing appreciation. After clicking Setup, you'll be directed to the Automation Creation page. From here, you'll see exactly how the automation is structured, from the triggers that activate it to the actions it performs. On our current setup, this automation will be sending a thank you email to every customer who pays an invoice, which is a thoughtful touch that can enhance customer loyalty. Since this is a pre-made template, the hard work is already done for you. All you have to do is customize the thank you message to match your brand's voice and tone. You might want to adjust the wording, add a personal touch, or include specific details relevant to your business. Once you're satisfied with your customization, simply click on Activate on the top right part of your screen. Give it a moment to process and save your settings. And just like that, you've successfully set up an automation using Wix's templates. Your automation is now live and will run automatically whenever the trigger condition is met. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.